Hello investors and welcome to the cannabis and cannabinoid investment opportunities here. Chroma Labs and Extracts, which we've been working with for the last 6 months, is about ready to kick off their labs. Their return on investment is about $3 million first year anticipated or more. They're anticipating $500,000 a month for years to come, plus growth. Current assets, warehouses, 150-acre farm, an 85-acre farm, multiple co-ops. They have extraction machines running at $45,000 a day minimum, and then of course expanding it 10% a month or more. They have grows to support their extracts, which is a product that comes from the extraction of cannabis or cannabinoids. There are 7 cannabinoids that currently are being processed, and there are over 70 in the cannabis plant. So we're just barely scratching the surface on what is possible here and what can come from the hemp and cannabis plants. Executive summary here: the business is expanding at 300% more per year, with the last 5 years of rapid growth forecasted. Some forecast it will multiply at least 40-fold in the next 5 years. Key is to have an established network, which Chroma is. These guys have all been in the business, and they've built a billion-dollar company in a few instances. Investors have a long-term growth in dividend, 50 to 100% annual returns or more, and capitalization opportunities on the horizon. Our forecast for them is over $6 million the first year and 5 to 20-fold over the next 2 years for their growth, and then of course continuing to double in size as the industry stabilizes. Maybe a 10 to 20-year opportunity there. Products: CBD, CBN, CBG. There again, that's just a few of the cannabinoids. There's over 70 in the cannabis plant. The opportunity, here is these capital contributions or investor contributions help with the grows, help with labs, extraction, help with products and labeling, bottling, marketing, branding, offices, and of course R&D, research and development. The investor returns: investors are secured with ownership interest in the company and the first right to proceeds and profits. Now, that's what I look for when I'm investing in any company. I'd like to see, of course, my money out first, if at all possible. In this case, your money is out first if you'd like it to be so, but more importantly, those profits are dispersed monthly. So I like to see dividends as often as possible, and monthly is a great return. $1 forecast for every dollar invested in the first 2 quarters or 6 months, and then monthly dividends paid to investors. There again, like to be paid and like to be paid often. Their timeline: first 30 days, set up and begin processing in-house. They have $100,000 a week current orders to process, but there's more orders out there than they can even facilitate production of currently. There again, the expansion and growth opportunity in this industry is it's almost hard to compound just a bottomless demand currently for CBD and CBN, CBG, THC, and there's still 70 other cannabinoids out there which we can find other uses for. Everything from calming your nerves to epilepsy to curing cancer to pet meds and cats, dogs, you name it. Their timeline: first 30 days, set up and begin processing in-house. Their kickoff date is August 1st, 2019. They already have, of course, orders for their product, which is wholesale oil. 90 days, they're going to be branding, pushing retail and wholesale sales. Within 180 days, they'll be established within the marketplace with their experienced team on the ground of growers, lab techs, chemists, which have already, like I said, been in the business, been in the industry, and here we are. The Dream Team's gone off on their own and developed Chroma, the company, and here we are. We have an opportunity to invest in it. Annual, we'll be looking at multiple farms, co-ops, sharecropping, R&D, brand recognition, new territories, spreading into Indiana, Washington, California. So a lot of opportunity here. This is Todd, and thank you. This is the Profit Report, and I think that this is the most exciting industry since I have been investing. So happy investing out there. Do your research and definitely look into this market.